Hey, I'm back, folks. Mac T here, and I'm going to start covering in the future here some technical service bulletins and other bulletins and field service actions and things like that that are coming up with various different model years of the Lincoln MKX, the Ford Edge, and the Nautilus. And right now we're going to start out with technical service bulletin 18-2378. That's right. That sloshing fuel tank feeling and sound you get inside your Edge, your Lincoln MKX, and your Nautilus, they have a technical service bulletin on it. As with all things, this technical service bulletin, for the most part, you will be covered under warranty if you still have a warranty and you have this sloshing sound and feeling that you get with your fuel tank. Now, what does this entail? It tells the different model years of the Ford Edge, and that is the 2015 through 2019 Ford Edge, and this only applies to all-wheel drive vehicles. It does not cover the front-wheel drives, so if you have an all-wheel drive, it'll cover that. Same for the Lincoln MKX, the 2016 through 2018 MKX all-wheel drive will be covered under this bolt and strap replacement, and the 29 Nautilus is also going to be covered under this. So what does this mean? Well, it means if you're driving your Lincoln or your Ford Edge and you have this sloshing sound going around inside the tank, then you can take it in, and if it's under warranty, they will evaluate it, check it out, and then of course repair it under your warranty without much fuss. So if it's not under warranty, then you're going to have to, pay the fees. But thankfully, it's a pretty quick job. It only takes about 4/10 of an hour in order to do this, and then of course the parts that go with it, which is 2 straps, and the strap part number is H2GZ-9054-A. 2 straps are required, and then 4 bolts, because you got to get new bolts with it. And then the bolt numbers are W718813-S442. Get 4 new bolts, 2 new straps. They take them out, put the new ones in, and then of course you got maybe the fuel sloshing thing going on. What I'm thinking is the straps are probably either stretched or something that happened to them in that process, and then of course you're going to end up with a sloshing sound for the movement or whatever's happening in the fuel tank. But again, this only applies if you're going to complain about it, and if you're under warranty, again, you'll have to pay for it. But this should cure any sloshing sound. Hopefully, they're saying it does. So go contact your Ford dealer and tell them that TSB18-2376 is what you're referring to as far as the sloshing sound, and they should be able to hook you up with whatever you're going to be doing there. And if you guys haven't noticed, I am coming to you from my garage. I have reclaimed my garage as I built a new barn in the back, so I am here in my garage. As you can see in the back, I'm just starting to try to get the pegboards up, get my tools all sorted, get everything fixed up here. But I'm just glad to be in my garage and be able to bring you some more information here from the garage. But that being said, make sure you like, subscribe, join MACTFORDEDGE on YouTube, also MACT Garage on YouTube, and then Facebook, MACTFORDEDGE on Facebook. Go there, ask to be part of the group. That is a very, very big growing group. We're approaching 5,000 members here soon, I think in the next few months. And then also MACT Garage on Facebook. That's right, places you can go and talk about all other cars not related to the Ford Edge, Lincoln MKX, Nautilus. So if you want to do that, go ahead and do that. And also MACTgarage.com, where you get all the information you want for parts, diagnostics, everything, owner's manuals. It is a web page full of all sorts of information to help you, along with links to various parts that you want to buy, and also oil analysis, t-shirts, stickers, everything you can do, even a donate button if you want to feel like you want to help me out and keep all these videos going and keep me in supply for being able to buy the oils and do the oil samples and everything else, because that comes at expense. But overall, Band of One has some great music. I want you all to listen to that here at the end. And last but not least, Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners. And my feet hit the floor today. I am having a great day. I'm in my garage, and I want you to have a great day too.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.